welcome back to my channel. I'm Shaughnessy, and if you like my vibe, subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing another Mystery Vault unboxing video from the house of Sillage. And y'all, I know I mentioned in the comments, I said, oh, I think I'm done with the Mystery Vault. I think, I said, oh, I'm not gonna get another one, but this one came back in stock and this was the original one I wanted, so I had to do it. Today I'm going to be unboxing the True Princess Fragrance and Beauty Mystery Vault, and I'm so excited, so let's get into it. I did not, and look how pretty this is wrapped, you all. I like this one better than the other one. I don't know. So this is my third Mystery Vault as I'm opening this. And I will have a card above of my other ones, and I'll have a playlist at the end. So you don't have to search for them if you're interested in seeing the other House of Sillage videos. Whew, okay, let's see what I got. Open. Y'all, I'm knocking stuff over because I am ready to see. And already I see something I'm not loving. This is why I should have been done with the Mystery Vault. Okay. So I see this is the Trend No. 7 Travel Spray. And I've never heard of it, but I know for a fact, okay, this I believe is this astrology? So this is a travel spray, but I don't know which fragrance it is. Oh, it's the Trend. So let's see. This is not the travel case I would have wanted. I was hoping for a pink one since this is the princess box. I do like that, but it does remind me of something. Okay, y'all, since this is astrology and that is not my thing, I'm not a fan of this travel case at all. Like I said, I was hoping it would be pink or something. So I'm doing $1,000, you wish. I'm doing 1,000 subscribers giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So this may just be a part of it. So that's the first item, a travel spray. I like the fragrance. I'm not fond of the case. Okay, we have a lipstick. So this is the Princess lipstick, and I wanted this one. It's like a hot pink color, and I'll show you in a minute. I'm really anxious now to see what lipstick case I got because, y'all, I just tore the box up trying to open it. Okay, so let's see if this is going to be like travel case. I mean, okay, I know I'm being difficult and I know this is a Mystery Vault and you get what you get, but shouldn't it match the box? If it's a princess box, usually you would think colors like pink or maybe even the white travel case or something. Why would you think blue and this? I mean, I don't get it. But anywho, let's see what color lipstick bow case I got. And oh Lord, if you've watched my previous videos, it has not been going well with me for these lipstick cases. Oh, I'm holding one eye with y'all. So let's see together. Okay, this is like a lilac color. Not gonna lie, I wanted pink, but I'm good with purple, with this color, because I love pink and purple. So I'm happy with that. And then let's look at the color of the lipstick. Yeah, that is just great hot pink summer color. So yay, I'm happy with that. So now for the big part of it, let's see what fragrance I received. Because I bought this box saying this mystery vault, thinking, okay, this is the Princess Vault. So Tiara should be the fragrance, the full-size fragrance. So y'all, let's see. And it is, so I have the Tiara full-size fragrance. Did you see that? So it's like an ombre, like an amber color, and then on top it has the blue Swarovski crystals, like a gradient color of the glass. And then inside, of course, it says House of Sillage Tiara. So I am so happy. It was worth it to get the full-size bottle of this fragrance, because this is one that was on my top to buy list when I got the discovery kits to see which fragrances I wanted to invest in. So I'm so happy with this. I'm happy with my bow case. I do like the fragrance in the travel case, but I do not like the travel case. So you might be seeing this if I can't exchange it, which I probably can't. And this scent is just a very elegant scent. When I smelled it, I think of, this is how Princess smells. It's like a sophisticated, soft, powdery vanilla, but it's so soft that you can wear it year round. And it's just a very classy scent. And this is my first cupcake from the signature line. I have 2 cupcakes from my other mystery vaults, and they're from the Whispers in the Garden collection. So this is my first full-size cupcake in the signature line. I'm excited that it's Tiara. So I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy with the majority of everything I got in my mystery vault. So that is all until the next House of Sillage haul. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Please share this video with anyone and everyone, because I want the whole world to know about my channel. So as I always say, if you like my vibe, subscribe. Until next time, bye.